Hi, my name is Judita and today I would love to present to you and show you what's the difference between filtered and ionized water so you can make an informed decision on which one you want to get. It might depend on your health condition, it might depend on where you are, what quality is your source water, whether you drink tap, well water, rainwater, and as well on your budget, because we can get a 30 euro filter or a few thousand euro filter or ionizer as well. So I use your ionizer, this one, and it is also a filter in the same time. It does have a filter which filters out the basic impurities like chlorine from tap water, some bacteria, lead, and some heavy metals. If your source water is really contaminated with bad bacteria and stuff like that, it's recommended to filter it further. Actually, I am not on tap water. We have a pre-filter for the whole house, which filters the water from the well, because we have a well and it wasn't safe. It had some E. coli bacteria, so we have a filter and a UV light which kills the bacteria, and then it comes to this machine which ionizes it. So basically this water that comes out here, I will call it filtered water, because we do have a filter on it and a UV light. So without electricity, if I run water through this machine, it creates just filtered water, right? I unplug it and I show you filtered water, right? It just goes through it, it acts as a filter. And we will also measure this, so stay with me. I can measure the differences. Now I plug it in and the light comes on, and I can choose different pH of waters from 9.5 to 2.5, and they have different uses. If you want to know the uses of the different pH, comment below and I can send you one sheet which has more than 100 uses of different waters. Now I am gonna test the pH firstly. So the pH of filtered water we will test in this one. Filtered, I put less, and ionized, I leave it on the 9.5 because that's my favorite water to drink but not with food, when my stomach is empty in the morning or between food or in the evening. It's very useful to drink it after alcohol as well, because it gets rid of acidity. So this is the ionized water and this is the filtered water. And we have a chart. You can't see it. Okay. So we have a chart here. This is around greenish, which means it's about the 7 pH. And this is much more dark, is about nearly purple, I would say. So it's about 8.5, 9, something like that. It also depends on like how slow I run the water through it. So basically another test that we can do is the test for the ORP. ORP is the oxidation reduction potential, which also something is either oxidizing us or anti-oxidizing us. The green foods and green juices should be antioxidant if they are from good quality produce. Also, green tea should be antioxidant, and a few more things like on the screen that shows you the ORP range. So this water goes up to minus the negative ORP is the one that is antioxidant. It is removing or dealing with the free radicals that come from the environmental pollution, then come from the food and so on. So it's basically helping our body to stay healthy. And it goes up to it goes down to minus 800 on the 11.5. For drinking water is around minus 450 or 500, and I will measure it. So here we go. Let's put some filtered water. Filtered water. So it goes up to 200 and 250 and 350, depends how bad it is. But this is quite bad from that perspective, from the oxidation. It means that is oxidizing our body, making it older, not helping to deal with the stress, with pollution, with free radicals. And now let's measure the Kangen water. Basically, this water with the negative ORP is also called electrolyzed-reduced water. You see? This is antioxidant. Electrolyzed-reduced water. There is a lot of scientific research. If you go to Google Scholar or PubMed, you can find a lot of research how it helps or how it can help certain conditions, and why it helps, because it has molecular hydrogen, which is an antioxidant, super powerful antioxidant. You can also read upon that, and it's basically getting into our cells and dealing with the free radicals. It is hydrating us much better, this water. And yeah, actually another thing I want to say about this charge, it's also present in the nature. So this water is natural. Don't think that is something weird. It is mimicking, this machine is attempting or trying to mimic the natural healing waters of that you find in Lourdes and places like that, where people live long and people go to collect the water for different healing purposes. So that's what is trying to mimic. That's what the scientists have created. So this water can flow from our tap, so we can drink it every day. How cool is that? And what else did I want to say? Yeah, when we bottle this water, this charge won't stay for longer than a day, two. It will start to reduce, because it is the aliveness of the water, the negative electrons that are charging our body, that are helping our body. It doesn't stay forever in the water, so it's like bottling the spring water is the biggest stupidity that I ever seen. We create so much plastic waste for no reason, just because people don't know that this charge doesn't stay. Okay, let's also test the bottled water. It has been open. I bought it last week when I went to Prague and I didn't have enough water with me. And let's test it for ORP. So here we go. It didn't have a different ORP reading when I opened the bottle. It's quite oxidizing to our body, 284. Another reason why this machine is different than just a filter is because it helps us create an eco household, which I am so passionate about, and in a way that you can create a 2.5 water, which is very sanitizing, disinfecting. It helps to get rid of the germs, fungus, mold. It is a great teeth whitener and like mouthwash. It helps to use everywhere where you have been using like harsh cleaning products, chemicals. You can clean the toilet with it and all sorts of stuff. There are hundreds of uses for it. Also, it creates 11.5 water, which is highly alkaline and highly antioxidant, and is used for degreasing mainly. So, or for headaches. When someone has a headache, can have 2 glasses of it, they say. I don't have headaches, so I don't know. But 11.5 is great for cleaning sinks, for degreasing, for cleaning the oven, for so many things. Have a look at the document below that I will share in a link. So I hope you found this useful. Let me know your thoughts and your questions. Thank you so much for being here. Bye.